So its first method to come to gigabyte.com, you can see here www.gigabyte.com. You can see here in the right side search button, and then type model number of your motherboard B860M Eagle plus WIFI6E, then hit enter. Then you can see here the product, so click on that. So you can see here two type versions, 2.0 and 2.1. So both installations process same. Okay, select any which is you are using, select that. After that, installation process all same 100%. Okay, you can follow that video and you can install any other versions, 2.0 and 1.0 any. Okay, then click to support. You can see here the operating system Windows 10 and 11. I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. Okay, and if you know about your operating system, you can select all and then install. Okay, then VGA, you can see here, and download. It will start downloading. Then you can see here file, open, and double click to exe file, exe, and double click. Now this is ready to install. Then yes. Then it is installed, then close it.